I don't know.
So that's camera. What?
The one on the bottom.
Yeah.
That's a cormorant.
Really?
And the one up above is a heron. Yeah.
And the
Then you
other
got
side,
two herons and an egret up there.
this egret and heron. Ah, that is weird. Three different birds. Ah, weird.
Mm-hmm.
So 3 heron, 1 egret. I thought they just swim. Wow.
Oh, kingfish is there. He's up there too. You can see him. A smaller bird took off down below. That's a kingfish.
Oh, the other one just came back. Holy crap! This tree is loaded with birds.